Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to combine PDF files inside of PDF XChange Editor. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first want to do is go ahead and open up PDF XChange Editor. Now on the top left hand corner, go ahead and click onto File. Then from here, click onto New Document. Now to the right, we've got some different options. We can go ahead and click onto combine files into a single PDF. Then from here, once you click onto that, it's going to say here combine files. So we want to go ahead and add files. So I'm going to add, say, that file, and got another one here. I'm going to do this one too. Now you can see we've got both of these files added in. Then from here, go ahead and click on OK. And then it's going to say, if you're using the free version like I am, it's going to say the advanced feature is available in evaluation mode only and not covered by existing license keys. So if you've got the right license keys, you're going to be able to merge as many PDFs as you like. So from there, go ahead and click on yes. And now I've got a password protected on one of these documents. I'm going to add that password in. And then from here, I'm going to go ahead and merge both of those PDFs together.